A major controversy has erupted after senior IS officer Santosh Verma, who was selected as the new Ajax state president on Sunday, made a shocking remarks during the event. Verma said that reservation should continue until a Brahmin gives his daughter to his son or establishes a relationship with him. This comment has triggered strong reactions. Sudhir Nayak, president of the Mantralaya Officers and Employees Association, called the statement deeply objectionable and an insult to the entire upper caste community. He demanded strict legal action against Verma under IS conduct rules. The row continues to grow across the state. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav and Assembly Speaker Narendra Singh Tomar paid heartfelt tribute to late Bollywood actor Dharmendra Tikamgarh. The leaders were attending the wedding of Jatara MLA Hari Shankar Khatek's daughter when the news of Dharmendra's demise was discussed among guests. The Chief Minister expressed deep grief, remembering Dharmendra as a legendary actor loved by millions. The tribute created an emotional moment at the event as people recalled the actor's remarkable contribution to Indian cinema and his unmatched popularity across generations. Massive protest in Mandideep over the assault of a 6-year-old girl led to a heavy traffic disruption on Monday. From noon until 3:30 pm, a 14-kilometer long jam stretched from Mandideep to Bhopal and another 7-kilometer jams toward Ubaidullahganj. Thousands of vehicles remained stuck for hours. Around 3 pm, police used mile force to disperse protesters. Later, representatives of the Sakal Hindu Samaj submitted a memorandum to ASP Kamlesh Kumar Kharpuse demanding immediate arrest of the accused. Authorities were given 2 days' time to act. The situation remained tense but under control. Indian women's cricket vice captain Smriti Mandhana and musician Palash Muchal have removed all photos and videos of their wedding ceremonies from social media. The couple was scheduled to marry on November 23rd. However, the wedding was postponed after Smriti's father, Srinivas Mandhana, suffered a health emergency and had to be hospitalized. Fans noticed that the pre-wedding pictures disappeared from both accounts, leading to speculation. Sources say the wedding will be rescheduled after her father recovers fully. A block level officer deployed for the SIR process in Rewa district suffered a brain hemorrhage on Monday. Assistant teacher Vijay Pandey, posted in Pushparaj Nagar, fainted during duty and was rushed to a hospital in Rewa. His condition is now stable, doctors says. Family members claim he had been continuously involved in survey work for several days without rest. The incident has raised concern about excessive workload and stress faced by employees during the ongoing SIR exercise. Former Chief Minister Digvijay Singh has raised objections to the proposed dams under the Parvati Kali Singh Chambal River Link project involving MP and Rajasthan. In a letter to Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav, Singh said that building large dams will submerge several populated villages and destroy thousands of acres of fertile farmland. He urged the state government to reconsider the plan and explore alternatives that minimize displacement. The River Link project is one of the most awaited interstate water projects in central India. In a dramatic daylight attack, masked bike riding assailants fired around 25 bullets near a jewelry shop in Sadar Bazaar, Murar, Gwalior. 4 bullets hit the shop while others struck nearby stores. Caterer Guddu Jain from Agra was injured after being hit by a stray bullet. The attackers first fired in the air while waving pistols and country-made guns, then targeted jeweler Mahavir Jain's shop. Panic spread across the busy market as shopkeepers rushed to safety. Police have launched a manhunt to track down the shooters. A shocking incident from Nagda in Ujjain district went viral on social media after 2 women were seen thrashing a middle-aged man accusing of harassing a minor girl. In the video, the women repeatedly beat him with slippers while the gathered crowd also joined in. The accused suffered injuries and was later taken into custody. Locals said the man had been troubling the girls for days. The strong reaction from women has sparked debate on public justice versus legal procedure. Under the Prime Minister Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana, 8 districts of Madhya Pradesh have been selected for implementation. This includes Umaria, Dindori, Alirajpur, Shahdol, Sindhi, Niwari, Tikamgarh and Anuppur. The state government has appointed 8 IS officers as nodal officers for these districts. They will visit the areas assess ground challenges, and prepare a detailed report for the central government. The scheme aims to boost agriculture infrastructure and enhance farmers' income in tribal and backward regions. Weather conditions in Madhya Pradesh changed again as two active systems, a western disturbance and a low pressure area affected the southern region of the state on Sunday. Clouds covered parts of South MP and even Bhopal experienced daytime chill. The meteorological department said that although there is no cold wave alert for the next 5 days, cloudy weather may continue due to this system. Light rain is also possible if the system intensify. Meanwhile, cold condition persist in northern districts.